Discovering Earth's Wonders, an introduction to geotourism. Our planet is a marvel, shaped over millennia by powerful forces. Volcanoes have sculpted mountains, glaciers have carved valleys, and ancient seas have left behind a tapestry of fossils. Geotourism invites us to explore these wonders, to understand the stories etched in the Earth's skin. It's about appreciating the geological heritage of a place and its connection to the landscape, ecology, and culture. Geotourism is more than just looking at rocks. It's about connecting with the Earth on a deeper level. Imagine standing on the rim of a volcano, feeling the heat rise from the Earth's core. Picture yourself hiking through a canyon, tracing the path of an ancient river. Geotourism offers these experiences and more. The essence of geotourism, unveiling Earth's story. Geotourism is built on the idea that the Earth itself is a museum. It encourages us to explore this museum, to understand its exhibits, and to appreciate its fragility. It's about more than just visiting scenic locations. It's about learning about the processes that created those locations and the impact they have on the environment and human life. At its core, geotourism promotes education and understanding. It encourages travelers to engage with the geological story of a place. This could involve visiting a museum to learn about local fossils, hiking through a national park to observe unique rock formations, or even taking a guided tour of a cave system. Ultimately, geotourism inspires a sense of wonder and respect for the Earth, fostering a desire to protect this incredible planet we call home. Breathing life into communities. The economic impact of geotourism. For rural communities often overlooked by traditional tourism, geotourism presents a lifeline. It offers a way to diversify their economies and create sustainable livelihoods. By attracting visitors interested in their unique geological features, these communities can tap into a new revenue stream. This influx of tourists translates into tangible benefits. Local businesses thrive as demand for accommodation, food, and transportation surges. This creates new jobs and stimulates economic growth in the region. Geotourism also offers opportunities for communities to showcase their local crafts, traditions, and culture. More than money, social benefits for rural destinations. The impact of geotourism extends far beyond economic gains. It brings about a wave of positive social change, empowering rural communities and fostering a strong sense of pride. By showcasing the geological heritage, these communities can share their unique stories with the world. This newfound recognition on a global stage can be transformative. It instills a sense of pride in the local population, encouraging them to preserve their natural and cultural heritage for future generations. Geotourism encourages communities to invest in the infrastructure needed to support tourism, leading to improved roads, facilities, and services that benefit both visitors and residents. Section 5. Protecting our heritage, geotourism, and the preservation of natural resources. Geotourism recognizes that the very foundation of its appeal lies in the preservation of the Earth's geological wonders. It advocates for responsible tourism practices that minimize the negative impacts of human activity on these fragile environments. Geotourism promotes sustainable practices that protect geological sites from degradation and ensure their longevity. This includes educating visitors on responsible behavior, such as staying on designated trails, minimizing waste, and respecting the natural environment. Revenue generated from geotourism can be channeled back into protecting geological sites, funding research, and implementing sustainable management practices. This ensures that these natural treasures are preserved for future generations to appreciate and enjoy. Section 6. Showcasing sustainable tourism, examples of successful geotourism initiatives. Around the world, numerous initiatives exemplify the transformative potential of geotourism in action. These success stories provide valuable insights into how communities can leverage their geological heritage to create sustainable tourism models. In Iceland, a land forged by volcanic activity, the Reykjanes Geopark showcases the country's dramatic landscapes and geothermal wonders. Visitors can witness bubbling mud pools, walk between tectonic plates, and even explore inside a dormant volcano. Another shining example is the Copper Canyon Geopark in Mexico, offering breathtaking views and opportunities for adventure tourism, all while supporting the livelihoods of the indigenous Raramuri people. By prioritizing conservation, community engagement, and sustainable practices, these initiatives demonstrate that tourism can be a force for good. Exploring Iceland's fiery heart, a journey through the land of fire and ice. Iceland, sculpted by fire and ice, showcases the raw power of our planet. Its geothermal wonders, from erupting geysers to shimmering glaciers, draw visitors worldwide. Geotourism showcases these marvels while ensuring their protection. Venturing into Iceland's interior is like stepping into another world, a dramatic tapestry of volcanic craters, lava fields, and glacial lagoons. Unveiling the secrets of the Namib Sand Sea. In the heart of southern Africa lies the vast Namib Desert. This ancient landscape, sculpted by wind and time, showcases nature's power. Geotourism in Namibia offers a unique chance to explore this environment. The Namib Sand Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the star attraction. Its towering dunes, some over 300 meters, are breathtaking. Light and shadow on shifting sands create a spectacle of color and texture. Section 9. Treading lightly: essential tips for responsible geotourism. As we venture out to explore the Earth's geological wonders, it's paramount that we do so responsibly, minimizing our impact on the very environments we seek to appreciate. Responsible geotourism is about being mindful travelers, respecting the natural world, and supporting local communities. One of the most important aspects of responsible geotourism is staying on designated trails. This helps to protect fragile ecosystems from damage caused by trampling. It's also crucial to avoid disturbing wildlife or removing any natural features, such as rocks, plants, or fossils. Minimizing waste is another key principle. Pack everything you bring with you back out and dispose of waste properly. Consider bringing your reusable water bottle and avoiding single-use plastics. When choosing accommodation, opt for eco-friendly options that prioritize sustainability. Supporting local communities is integral to responsible geotourism. Choose local guides and businesses whenever possible. Section 10. Expanding horizons, integrating geotourism with other tourism branches. Geotourism is not a standalone concept. It can integrate with other forms of tourism, enriching the overall experience. Combining geological attractions with other interests appeals to a broader audience. Adventure tourism can be enhanced by geological elements. Hiking, rock climbing, and caving become more captivating with geological insights. Cultural tourism also benefits from a geotourism perspective. Many cultural sites are linked to the region's geology. Understanding this connection deepens appreciation for both cultural and natural heritage. Integrating geotourism with other branches creates immersive, sustainable experiences. Section 11. Shaping a sustainable future: geotourism's promise for rural communities. In a world grappling with the impacts of climate change and over-tourism, geotourism emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a path towards a more sustainable and equitable future for tourism, particularly in rural communities. By promoting responsible travel, conserving natural resources, and empowering local communities, geotourism has the potential to transform rural destinations. Geotourism encourages us to slow down, to appreciate the Earth's rhythms, and to connect with the natural world on a deeper level. It's about fostering a sense of place, recognizing the interconnectedness of our planet, and understanding that we are all stewards of its future. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to champion the principles of geotourism, education, conservation, and community engagement. By doing so, we can ensure that tourism becomes a force for good, protecting our planet's natural wonders while creating opportunities for all.